Joining me now on the program is Olivia Needballa, who is the Clinical Director of Pike Acupuncture and Wellness Center, located centrally in Milford. Great to have you on the program, Olivia.
George, thank you so much for having me.
So why should somebody want to come out here to the center?
Well, people tend to come to us when it's their last resort, unfortunately, when they've tried everything else. They've tried the chiropractic, the physical therapy, the shots, oftentimes even surgeries, and they still haven't gotten the relief that they're hoping for. And then they come to Pike Acupuncture, and it's the place where they get their lives back.
So what types of conditions typically bring people in?
So George, truthfully, people come in for all sorts of things, but what we really shine in is conditions that have not responded to conventional treatments, or conditions that people have been told that they just have to live with, that they're just getting older, or even that it's all in their head. These can be conditions like peripheral neuropathy, which conventional medicine says that there's no treatment for, which is definitely not true. Conditions like fibromyalgia that are very misunderstood, or conditions where people have gone the route of conventional treatments like getting lower back surgery, and then they unfortunately have hosts of complications that we can then really improve their quality of life with.
So why do you think your clinic succeeds where others don't?
We do much more than just acupuncture here, and we hit every problem from multiple angles, taking the entire person's health history and all of their concerns into account. So this is a place where, yes, we can treat someone for their peripheral neuropathy, but we can also help improve their anxiety and their depression. It's really a whole person approach.
So let's hear from some of your patients now.
I was literally a train wreck before I came here. I kept going to the doctor for different tests and stuff, and it just seemed like nothing worked.
I had surgery July of 2024, and I walked into the hospital using a cane, and I came out of the hospital using a walker.
I had a stroke 2 years ago, and it left my right hand numb. The doctors told me there's nothing they can do for it.
I had heard about Dr. Olivia from a friend. I couldn't believe the difference in the sessions of my pain were less, and I didn't have to rely on the, Tylenol.
Arthritis, bone on bone. I was an avid Planet Fitness person. I couldn't do any of that, and now I'm ready to go again.
I feel better now. When you gain back a lot of the hand, it's only then mostly in just the fingertips now. So
it used to take me two extra people to get me in the house. Now I can get in pretty much on my own.
I feel better. I could do what I always did, and I'm an active person.
I just feel like this is almost like the fountain of youth. It's just helped me immensely.
So what would you say to somebody out there that's watching right now that's dealing with chronic pain or complex illness?
Well, George, what I would say is that no, you don't just have to live with this. No, it's not all in your head. No, you're not just getting older. There is a way for you to get the relief and the transformation that you deserve.
Somebody watching, they want to get in touch with you. How do they do that?
You can either call to schedule your complimentary consultation or fill out the form on our website.